Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome more secure. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. On the left menu, click Privacy and Security. Now open the Security section. Select Enhanced Protection to get the highest level of security against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. Next, turn on Always Use Secure Connections. This helps Chrome automatically use the secure HTTPS version of websites whenever it's available. After that, enable Use Secure DNS. Choose With and select Cloudflare from the list of DNS providers for a secure and private browsing experience. Finally, click the three dots again, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome. If an update is available, install it and restart the browser. And that's it. That's how you can make Google Chrome more secure with just a few simple settings. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.